Hello everyone, today is July 3rd. I'm at Magic Kingdom to see the 4th of July fireworks because they do it both on the 4th and the day before. And it's gonna be a lot less busy today, I hope. So, I'm getting here just a little before the fireworks. I intended to get here a lot earlier, but that did not happen. So, let's just go get a spot for fireworks and then see where else the night takes us. Alrighty, here's the spot. Oh, that doesn't look good.
America the Beautiful. Join together in salute to the red, white, and blue, and cheer the hopes and dreams that continue to shine throughout America.
Okay, after fireworks, crowds were crazy, so I got mine for Small World, but I literally got to the boat and I was like, you know what? No. So I am at Cosmic Rays instead, because why not? I did also get front row Sonny Eclipse. I got like this barbecue burger. I don't know. It is like this cheese spread down here. Looks interesting. We'll see how this tastes. Okay, the burger's decent. I mean, it's a Disney burger, so what do you expect? But, I don't know, barbecue sauce is okay, I guess. Bacon adds a nice crunch. Could be worse. It truthfully just felt right to get a burger for 4th of July. And now, to hit all the American staples, I'm gonna get ice cream, I think. That's the rumor. It's also so loud because they have the DJ on Main Street. Okay. At Auntie Gravity's Goodies, I got the Brownie Sundae, and it's like a little head Mickey. It's so cute. This is a lot of ice cream, but I will conquer. I hope. Okay. I wish that ice cream sundae was like half the size. It would have been perfect, but it was way too much. But I ate it all because I paid for it. But way too much food. However, to celebrate me being a big boy and finishing my food, I'm gonna ride the Little Mermaid as a reward. Don't ask me about the music. I don't know what's happening. This queue is so insanely long, but I kind of love it because it's so pretty to look at, and it kind of throws you in the story, you know? Like, you don't just walk into a building and go on a ride, you walk through this whole area. I love it! Part of me wants to ride this over and over until the park closes, but I did want to do Pirates earlier, and I didn't get to do Pirates. So maybe Pirates in my future? Maybe Haunted Mansion if I have time for both? I don't know. The ground is like soaking wet. Everything in this park is always wet. And I know it's because of fireworks, but it's weird.
Calm down and see what's next. A lot of these things you're not going to see every day. In fact, this collection contains some of the most lugubrious, like this Galactic coin. Yeah, now Rocky stands here, and Coral will take a deep breath and... Well, you're a bit too hard there, Coral, right, Rocky? Yeah. It began when King Triton asked Sebastian to keep an eye on Ariel. Wait, no, it began when King Triton got old man and Ursula took Ariel's voice and...
Okay, it's 10:51. So only time for one more ride probably, but I would love to go on Pirates. So, let's make it over there. I'm horrified right now. Woo! Oh my god.
Easy.
We are literally on the last boat. Kind of obsessed, it's so quiet. Honestly, my bias. Okay, so part's really fun. We literally were in the last boat. I was a couple rows behind everyone because I wanted to be away from people, as I would, and it was a fun time. You know, always good. I didn't get wet, so we love that. Now I'm gonna go try and get some pictures by the castle, maybe. Also, I realized I could film a lot of the like selfie-facing videos with my Snapchat camera because it has the ring light feature, so it's not actually like a flash, it's the ring light. I did this during my Sir Henry's video, but I guess I didn't think to do it like in the parks. So, new Vincent life hack for myself. What is happening? The park is closed. Go home. I want my pictures. Why are we listening to Flowrider?
No, I didn't do it. They started. They did. There you go. Now he's going with it. Let's go.
Girl, the energy right now is like, once again, my nightmare. I'm doing the ferry boat route because the idea of being on a monorail right now makes me want to cry. So, ferry boat. Anyways, that concludes my day at Magic Kingdom for July 3rd. The fireworks were cool. It's always cool to see the perimeter fireworks around the whole park. That doesn't happen very often. Besides that, there's really just the DJ, and on my own, that's not really the vibe, plus kind of playing the generic DJ music. So it's like, maybe if it was like some Disney Channel vibes, I'd be tuned in. However, the rest of the night was fun. Did Little Mermaid, Pirates, got myself a nice hearty burger and some ice cream. A true American day, honestly. It was great. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later.
We